In the dry place you found me. When my soul was thirsty, Lord, you came. From your presence flows a promise, living water in your name. You refresh me, you restore me.